Hi, this is Miss D at These Special Things. I just wanted to show you all the snow that we got. Oh my, I lost my lamp top. I'm sure it's underneath all of that snow. But you guys, we ended up with 22 inches here in Waldorf. But look, that's my car. I think my neighbors changed my sidewalk. Would you look at that? I don't think they were comfortable with cleaning my car, so they didn't touch my car. But I guess I still have to get out here and do what I need to do. How nice of my neighbors. But look at the snow that's stacked up. And then I have to actually, whoa, it's out there. Where are they gonna put all of this snow? Yeah, this is a lot. And then too, I have to come out here today because look, it is leaning against my vent. So I have to make sure I remove that. Yeah, so once the sun come out, I'll come out here and do what I can do. Thank God for my neighbors, because they did the bulk of it. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Bye-bye.